In this video, we are going to see and learn how we can drop a pin in Google Maps. Let's say that we want to share any location by dropping a pin and pointing it to a certain area or certain shop or certain restaurant that is not exactly available on the Google Maps because we just want to share this with some other person. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just zoom into that specific section and let's say I want to mention a restaurant that's right here across the street. So all you have to do is just tap on it like this and it will drop a pin. As you can see, as I hold my finger on that specific location, it will immediately drop a pin. After that, you can just save that location and you can mention that about, let's say it's a restaurant, ABC restaurant. Save this. So let's say that we want to follow that directions in future. We have already saved that and you can follow the directions just by clicking on this little icon of the directions, or you can share that with some other person by just clicking on the share icon and you get all the frequent options like WhatsApp and all. And on the top, you can see the drop pin location. You can just share with that. You can also add this as a missing place. You can follow all of these commands, place, details, category and all, and it will be added to Google Maps. And you can even add or list your business, add your business to the maps for free so that it is accessible to the public as well. But the simplest way on how you can drop the pin is just by holding a finger on it and it will drop a pin. After that, you can save that and share this with whomever you want. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.